Hi, I'm Sharples from Intuit Canada. I may have already met many of you. I'm the Senior Product Manager with ProFile. My entire job is to make sure ProFile works for you. It's a new year, and that means tax time is around the corner. So I'm excited to talk about some improvements you can expect from ProFile and how we're going to help move the practice of accounting forward. My job is to make your work easier, and your input is critical to this process, which is why every innovation, every enhancement we bring to market started with your feedback and insights. You've shared and we've heard your personal stories about how demanding tax time can be. We know that by the end of April, you've barely seen the light of day. I've walked into offices where there's a sleeping bag and cot in the corner. That's no way to camp. For the coming tax season, we know the workload won't let up. There are fewer and fewer tax preparers in the market each year. Our data shows that almost 25% of Canadian tax preparers intend to retire in the next 24 months. The number of new preparers entering the market won't replace those leaving. With an influx of new Canadians and residents increasingly working abroad, returns are getting more complicated. In other words, the demand for your services is increasing and the work is getting harder. We understand that our software has to work harder and smarter for you. We started by introducing features such as dynamic PDF filing, which allows you to define your own custom naming pattern for all PDF files generated by ProFile. Quick Reports helps you send quick reminders to your customers. For example, if they have contribution room left in their RSPs. Excel Import imports a trial balance quickly into the Schedule 100 and 125. This is a first step towards fuller integration between QuickBooks and ProFile. Backup to the cloud backs up your returns online so you never lose data. HyperDocs provides the ability to attach source docs to a return, and we continue to be one of the most comprehensive offerings in the market, adding support for RL30 and the general rate income pool. We know there's room for more innovation. Getting data into a return is a painful process. At the heart of our product strategy is the ability to solve this problem holistically. We know that the solution is not one size fits all. One part of the answer is delivered by partnering with the CRA. Tax Data Delivery, which is being renamed Autofill My Return this year by the CRA, enables you to gather source slip data from the Represent a Client service. You may have tried Autofill My Return or TDD last year. The feedback from customers is that it delivers reliable data. No more hunting down slips. You can rest assured that ProFile is slotting the data in the right places. This year, the CRA is expanding coverage of slips, including T5s and T3s. That said, we've also heard loud and clear that availability and timeliness is a concern for some of you. As part of our Get Data In strategy, we're looking to round out the solution by partnering with other sources of financial data, such as banks, leveraging technology like Link that helps gather data from your clients. We're currently testing this in market. Ensuring data moves seamlessly across the ecosystem of Intuit products. And as a fallback for some of you, optional scanning technology. You can check out Link here. Every solution we provide needs to be flexible and sit within your current workflow. We want to make sure that we get it just right. Because your knowledge is invaluable to us, we want to continue to partner with you. This is your chance to make ProFile even better. We want to make sure that your feedback or suggestions are always read, considered, and acknowledged. We are introducing a new tool this year, found on the right-hand side of the ProFile screen. Within this tool, you can add product suggestions and provide feedback. You can also vote on other customers' ideas. This will be visible to all. I will be spending a lot of my time with this data. If you want to help shape, build, and test a better product that works harder and smarter for you, send me an email. You'll become part of a vital group that participates in interviews, customer visits, user testing, surveys, events, and much more. On behalf of the over 400 Intuit Canada employees who come to work every day with you in mind, thank you. You've helped make ProFile the most used, most recommended professional tax software in Canada. And we're excited for another great tax season.